Good afternoon, welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone's well and enjoying your weekend. It's just gone 4 o'clock and the weather's not too bad. It's very mild, it's t-shirt weather. There's some blue sky about, so it's better than what I thought it was going to be actually. But yeah, it's quite pleasant. But we're just going to go for a walk along the front, and then we shall head into town and have a sort of wander around the town and the pubs and bars and see how lively it is. But just while I remember, I want to give a big shout out to Ian and Joanne in North Yorkshire who watch my channel and always comment, and a special shout out for Kaylee who just loves Blackpool. And yeah, thank you again, Kaylee, for always watching the channel, and hopefully one day you can get down there again, and I appreciate all three of you watching the channel. Right, let's continue. Yeah, I think we'll have a wander around the streets first of all, and then we can have a glimpse on the promenade further down and then go back into the town. So I don't know how long this will be, but hopefully we can find some interesting content for you. Yeah, this is a fairly recently new open bar, Diamond Show Bar and Restaurant. Just noticed on a sign there, Foster's $2.50 a pint all day, every day. Anyway, it all looks quite lively. It's so sweet, doesn't it? It's a bit early for the early nightlife, but I didn't come out for that reason. I've just come out for a general walk. see what's going on. The old shoppers still out and about.
Russ is up in that. Take a picture of that.
Well, there's a lot of people down here, isn't there? Go across the road and we'll get a better. I don't want to make this video like the last video I done, otherwise it's going to look the same. I know it's a different day, but at least it shows you what Saturday early evening's like, so I suppose it's different. There's seagulls hanging about for people's fish and chips here. It's actually getting warmer since I come out. Get across this road. Witherspoons. Looks like it's rammed in there.
You got the full ribbons here.
Well, why are we going this way then?
Close guy.
So yeah, the beach house is rammed as usual. Looks like there's recently been a marriage over here.
I'm working to piss you off.
Retro lounge here on the right, Clifton Street. Banging in there, Hogarth's. That's actually one of my favourite pubs. And just in front of me, to the left, is East for West Indian restaurant. And it's a traditional Indian restaurant run by Indians, and I fully recommend it. They've just recently got a 5-star food rating as well, so give it a try. Very good prices as well. Seems to be too much going on down in St John's Square. Yeah, I apologise if this video is a bit like the last video, but it's Saturday, isn't it? So it's always different. Quick nose through Abingdon Street Market like we normally do. Busy in here as usual. Yeah, back up to Topping Street now. Churchill's there on the left. Certainly a few people walking about anyway. I cannot believe how warm I am walking. No complaints. Churchill's. Just a view on North Pier now. Tide's coming in. There's people down in the sea there, but can't be too dangerous because they've been told to get out otherwise. Yeah, North Pier. Right, Saturday afternoon walkabout. Sorry it's not a little bit later, but I haven't been very well for about a week now. So I'm going to leave it there, and I hope someone enjoys this one anyway. And hopefully I will be back to normal very soon. But thank you all for watching. Catch you all again very soon. Bye bye for now.